Fred is making two rectangular flower beds, and the dimensions, that means the length and the width, of the larger rectangle will be 3 times the dimension of the smaller rectangle. So they're giving us the dimensions of the fact that the dimensions of the bigger one is 3 times the dimension of the smaller one. So I'm thinking scale factor here as I read through. Let's see if they're talking about any volume or area within this. There are going to be the same depth of soil in each flower bed. So they're not going to be totally similar shapes, just the length and the width are similar, but the depths are exactly going to be the same there. So both the rectangular flower beds are going to be the same, have the same depth. Fred needs 180 kilograms of soil for the smaller flower bed. So for the smaller one, right, he needs to fill it with 180 kilograms of soil. Work out how much soil he needs for the larger one. So they're not similar by volume, they'll be similar by length and area. So the scale factor of length, right, is going to be 3. They've told us that the dimensions of the larger one is 3 times the dimensions of the smaller one. So the scale factor of area is going to be 3 squared. Look at the question, work out how much soil Fred needs for the larger flower bed. So if for the smaller one he needs 180 kilograms, for the larger one he needs 3 squared times that, because their area is similar. Okay, you're looking at the whole thing, the volume, the amount you need, it'll be 3 squared, which is 9 times more. So the soil for the larger flower bed is going to be 3 squared times 180. That's 9 times 180. You go to your calculator to work this out, and you'll get 1,620. 1,620. Your answer is 1,620 kilograms of soil is going to be needed for the larger flower bed. This is a really straightforward question, right? Maybe you need to get your head around several aspects of it, but it's quite a wordy question. It's an easy 2 marks, and if you know how to do it, you should get it without any much difficulty.